from an escalator, boys.
This is weird. I've never like vlogged before like this. So guys, we're gonna go on a mission to find a desk. I don't know how long it's gonna take to find it, but we have a map and hopefully we can do it. We're going upstairs right now, so let's see what we can find. How much room back here for my computer games?
I think we get that. You better flip it back on the board.
I gotta record it. So I think we're gonna get this, guys. Cost $50 and we're gonna get a couple legs. So let's go scan the number. That's a, oh my god. You gotta get that nice B-roll. Oh, I'm going a little bit too quick. Hey, Mom. Aisle 14, guys, that's where we gotta be at right now. That's where the desks are gonna be. We gotta get them clean B-roll shots, my dude. Okay, here's the legs, show the legs. Well, these are the $15 ones, right? So we gotta find them.
What bin is it in?
Oh, yeah, here. Okay, so we don't have what we want. We want black legs. They only have gray, white, and blue legs. So we gotta go find someone to help us, which is kind of annoying. But I'm pretty sure there's all of them boxes up there that there's at least one black one somewhere through here. So I guess we're on the mission to go find some black legs. Let's go. So guys, we're on the mission to go find some black legs. We gotta go find a helper to get us some black legs. Because we got some special kids back here. They're too scared to go ask somebody. I can hear my mom coughing. I can recognize that cough from anywhere. Would I be a good vlogger, Cameron? This might be my first vlog, man.
No, it's not. It's like your fourth.
Yeah, but like I'm not on this channel. It's my first. I guess we're gonna check out now. Oh, okay. Give me a second then. Well, here, I'm not even recording.
Hey guys, we're sitting in a long line now. It's really bad.
Help me. Someone help me. So guys, we're checking out right now. We have all of our buggy stuff ready to go. It's probably gonna be like over $100. Not that big a deal because we got a couple people's things. I got a couple fake plants. Huh? Yeah. No, it's real. It has water in it. That's my bamboo.
I never felt bambooed out so fake. Right?
Oh, you can kind of see it. So, my channel, bro. Little smiley face. You can see it way better on the camera than on the
So guys, we're at checkout with Wesley. Okay, we're on the camera here.
You should torture.
Got some bad news here, Wesley. No.
Don't even do that, dog.
That's supposed to be like that? Oh yeah, that's supposed to be like that. Oh, I thought this thing was like broke bad. It's like that because of the corner thing. Wait, you want to pull the box and I'll pull the desk?
Dog, I'm not gonna be able to do this by myself.
So what about do? Stick the screw on this and just go in with it?
You
sure you don't want to do this? Because if I mess it up, you can start ditching this shit.
Me too.
What?
Wait, no, stop. I know what we need.
What?
So guys, this is the finished product. We got my PC down here. A good bit of cable management. Not the best, just not the worst. Got my PlayStation, my Astros, and all my in and out things. But we got my two monitors, which is like the biggest deal. and it looks pretty nice. Got the LED backlights, but hopefully y'all guys did enjoy, and cut it to the outro. Bye, guys.
That's it, Brian?